Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your headphones Philips. So the first one is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. Then, at the bottom of the right ear cup, we have USB-C port. So connect USB-C cable right at this port. The most important is this LED light near to the power button, meaning that your headphones are charging. Okay, next option is to use your phone to charge your headphones. And all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable, what look like this. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And the second one to USB-C port on your headphones. Again, we need to check the LED light. We have it, so it also works. The third option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable, and you can charge your headphones from, let's say, your PC. So it looks like this. Now I'm going to connect USB-C cable to the headphones, and USB-A cable I will connect to my PC, but you can connect with another device that have USB-A port. Now we need to check the LED light. We have it, so it also charging your headphones. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.